To set notification reminders times in Samsung Galaxy S10, open settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. Scroll down, tap accessibility. Tap advanced settings. Tap notification reminders. If notification reminders off, tap switch until blue to turn on notification reminders, and then tap remind every. Select option you want: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. If you select 5 minutes, notification will be remind every 5 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.